Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Ford Mustang GT. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental proportions, using simple geometric shapes to define the car's overall stance. Focus on creating that iconic long hood and short rear deck, which are hallmarks of the Mustang's design. Remember to keep the wheels approximately 1/3 the height of the main body for a balanced look. This initial step is crucial for capturing the powerful presence of this classic American muscle car. Next, let's refine the body lines and add some key details that make the Mustang instantly recognizable. Pay close attention to the aggressive, shark bite front grille and the iconic 3-bar sequential taillights at the rear. Don't forget to include the functional side scoops and the muscular fender flares that give the car its wide, powerful stance. These sharp character lines along the doors and hood will really bring your drawing to life. Now, let's focus on the wheels and glass elements. The Mustang GT often features distinctive 5-spoke wheels, so draw them with precision, making sure they look firmly planted on the ground. When sketching the windows and windshield, think about how light would reflect off the glass to add depth. You can also include subtle hints of the interior, like the bucket seats or a glimpse of the steering wheel, to enhance realism. Finally, it's time for shading and those all-important finishing touches. Use varying degrees of pressure to apply shading, creating depth and emphasizing the Mustang's muscular curves. Darker tones will help define shadows beneath the car and in recessed areas, giving it a 3-dimensional feel. Don't forget to add small but crucial details like the iconic pony badge, door handles, and the dual exhaust tips to complete your impressive Ford Mustang GT drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.